there are few rituals which Indian follow, which is eating
and eating. That's it.
Hi guys. Hi. We came to a new workplace. We came to a new workplace. Is that a correct English? Are we losing it? Yes, we are definitely. We lose every time we meet together and we work. We forget that we have to work and then we do time pass. And then we crib at 6 o'clock that, oh my god, we have so much work and we're supposed to log out. This is our daily routine. But today we came to a new place, like our own cafe, and it has such a nice view. And when he is busy sending everyone the view. Okay, first insect, which is mosquitoes, who has million deaths in a year. What do you think is the second species who killed humans?
Humans.
It's the right answer.
It is.
It is what it is. What it is. Reddy's like, I hate humans. Animals are the best. It's all about
Though
animals.
I know I'm a human, I don't mind becoming an animal.
Rennie fantasizes the world ending, and I'm like, Rennie, what do you think? You fantasize about the world ending. Why it is like that, Rennie?
Because we don't deserve to be living in this world. It's too good for us.
Why is this getting all emotional right now? Too good. It is. It is. When will Ted get his fucking girlfriend? Fucking love. I know with the spoiler that she only comes for one episode. I know that. The thing is that I just hate Ted and his love story. I don't want to listen. Season 7 and is just finding love. Just finding love. Like, fuck off. Barney should be the main character.
He is, no, somehow.
He is. And he's finally in love with a stripper.
Best love story ever.
How many times he mentioned stripper. Season 7 is amazing though. Till the time, like, seen so many seasons, season 7 is nice. And still 4 more seasons to go, right?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite season, Meghna?
The one where Quinn comes, that's my favorite.
Meghna's favorite character is Ted. But the show is amazing. I can say that, and it's much better than Friends. It is. Tulu, you're legit forgetting there's November month also. You started planning for Christmas.
We have to do Secret Santa.
And what's the budget?
That I don't know. That we'll figure.
Yeah, then there'll be one person who will get a overpriced gift.
We have to do Secret Santa. Everybody has to gift wrap in same paper. They have to wear Christmas pajama also.
Okay.
They have to get. And Christmas tree decoration if it's done without me. I will end friendship.
Is Tulu actually forgetting there's November month? She started planning for Christmas, which is in December.
What can I say?
If the tree is decorated without me, if the setup...
Who is going to put the star?
I will end friendship with you all. Then you all will not
I will
exist.
just get the tree.
You all will not exist in my life after
Yeah, I will
that.
just get the tree. Everything else will be done by Tullu.
Yeah, Tullu's excited for the Christmas thing because we finally have a space now where we can, where we can have trees, decorate our house with lights, do Secret Santa. How excited this is! Yeah, let's keep on, November.
Cut to December, right?
No. Tullu, if given a chance, will you go to Jurassic Park?
No.
Yeah.
Well, I would
Two extremes. What do you mean by why? Like to.
I would go to, which part, that cute wala, underwater wala, where he does nothing. I'm not going to do that where they're running right next to me. I'm Fattu number 1.
It's called Safari Tullu. What has happened to your vocabulary these days? What has happened to your
I
vocabulary?
stay with her.
Exactly.
Oh!
I literally talk a lot to her.
You are the person who had the best vocabulary amongst everyone.
But the day she started FaceTiming me every day.
Yeah, every day I FaceTime her.
I always thought by seeing other people that making your own camp is very difficult.
Tent, it's not a camp, it's a tent. There's a difference between camp
What is
and
the
tent.
difference between a tent and a
A
camp?
lot.
Wow, I'm so excited!
Open it first.
I finally have a tent, guys. Oh my god. Why do you feel like I'm already on a tent?
That, please.
Okay, this is going to take forever. Oh, hey. Oh. Is it like this?
It's okay, it'll bend, it's okay.
Please stand.
If this is how you're gonna put up a tent in outdoors, I'm really scared now.
You are trained. Ah! You are
Nothing
trained.
happened.
I'm
Now
not.
first pull this up. Now put the hook on this. The middle hook. You see the hook over there? Yeah. On the top one. Perfect. Now first all these hooks. There are hooks on every corner.
Oh wow.
There's literally no space to. I don't know why are we setting up in this house.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, here also.
How dare you not open a thing which arrives on the same day? Like, you can't keep it aside and be like, I'm gonna.
Last one.
It's like a raincoat for the train.
It is.
Looks so cool. Let's go Manali. Ooh, so cool. Give me a torch.
Bye bye.
Bye. Come inside. Come inside my Barbie house.
There's enough space. For two people.
We have a camp. Oh shit, sorry. Oh shit. Okay, bye.
Doing all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming.
Then you said yesterday, I'm going to start losing weight and starting my dieting.
Mama said that you're okay.
Look at that mama.
Mama said you're quite alright.